Jab, JAB. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning verb, to poke or thrust with a sharp object or finger. Meaning noun, a quick, sharp blow or poke. Example sentence, he jabbed the needle into his arm to administer the vaccine. Synonyms, verb, poke, prod, thrust. Synonyms noun, blow, poke. Antonym, verb, withdraw, retract. Antonym noun, avoidance, evasion. Jabber, JABBER. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning verb, to talk rapidly and incoherently. Meaning noun, rapid, incoherent speech. Example sentence, she jabbered excitedly about her day at the amusement park. Synonyms verb, babble, chatter, prattle. Synonyms noun, chatter, babble. Antonym verb, articulate, enunciate. Antonym noun, silence, quiet. Jaded, JADED. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning worn out, exhausted, or lacking enthusiasm due to overwork or overexposure. Example sentence, after years of working in the same job, she felt jaded and needed a change. Synonyms, exhausted, weary, bored. Antonym, refreshed, energized, enthusiastic. Jargon, JARGON. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, specialized or technical language that is difficult for others to understand, confusing or unintelligible speech or writing. Example sentence, the legal document was filled with jargon that made it hard for the average person to comprehend. Synonyms, lingo, terminology, gibberish. Antonym, plain language, simplicity, clarity.
Copyright, Cogent Insights.
Jaundice, JAUNDICE. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning noun, a medical condition characterized by yellowing of the skin and eyes due to liver dysfunction. Meaning verb, to affect with jaundice or bias. Example sentence, the patient was diagnosed with jaundice and was advised to seek medical treatment. Synonyms noun, yellowing, icterus. Synonyms verb, bias, prejudice. Antonym noun, normalcy, health. Antonym verb, unbiased, impartiality. Jaundiced, JAUNDICED. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, having a prejudiced or negative view, affected by or exhibiting jaundice. Example sentence, the journalist had a jaundiced view of politicians, assuming they were all corrupt. Synonyms, cynical, biased, prejudiced. Antonym, optimistic, open-minded, unbiased. Jaunt, JAUNT. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning noun, a short excursion or journey, typically for pleasure. Meaning verb, to take a short journey or trip. Example sentence, they decided to go on a jaunt to the beach for the weekend. Synonyms noun, outing, excursion. Synonyms verb, travel, journey. Antonym, noun, stay, confinement. Antonym verb, stay, remain. Jaunty, JAUNTY. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning lively, cheerful, and self-confident in manner or appearance. Example sentence: she walked down the street with a jaunty step, radiating confidence. Synonyms: cheerful, sprightly, lively. Antonym: gloomy, somber, dejected. Jeopardize, JEOPARDIZE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to put something or someone at risk or in danger. Example sentence: speeding on icy roads can jeopardize the safety of everyone in the car. Synonyms: endanger, risk, threaten. Antonym: protect, safeguard, secure. Jest, JEST. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning noun, a joke or humorous remark. Meaning verb, to speak or act in a joking manner. Example sentence: he made a witty jest that had everyone laughing. Synonyms: noun, joke, quip. Synonyms: verb, joke, tease. Antonym: noun, seriousness, solemnity. Antonym: verb, be serious, criticize. JETSAM, JETSAM. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, goods or materials that are thrown overboard from a ship and washed ashore. Example sentence: the beach was littered with jetsam from the shipwreck. Synonyms: flotsam, wreckage, debris. Antonym: none. Jettison, JETTISON. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to throw or drop something, usually in order to lighten a load or abandon it. Example sentence: the pilot had to jettison excess fuel to ensure a safe landing. Synonyms: discard, ditch, abandon. Antonym: retain, keep, hold on to. Jibe, JIBE. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning verb, to agree or be in harmony with something. Meaning noun, a mocking or sarcastic remark. Example sentence: his words didn't jibe with his actions, causing confusion among the listeners. Synonyms: verb, agree, correspond. Synonyms: noun, mockery, taunt. Antonym: verb, disagree, clash. Antonym: noun, compliment, praise. Jingoist, JINGOIST. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a person who is aggressively patriotic and favors warlike foreign policies. Example sentence: the jingoist politician advocated for military action without considering diplomatic solutions. Synonyms: chauvinist, nationalist, warmonger. Antonym: pacifist, peacemaker, internationalist. Jocose, JOCOSE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, fond of joking or inclined to joke, humorous or playful in nature. Example sentence: he had a jocose personality and always had a witty remark ready. Synonyms: humorous, playful, jolly. Antonym: serious, solemn, grave.